Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 Knaus Sudwind 540 UE. So we'll start off by taking a look on the outside of the caravan. Now this is the 60-year special edition by Knaus. So we're going to find a few little differences to a standard Sudwind. Now on the sides here we can see we've got the silver sides, we've got the black awning rails, you've also got the black handles at the front, you've got a carbon fibre finish look at the front and to the back, and you've got that special edition Knaus badge. Now you've got a nice large window there at the front and also a sunroof up above. On the A-frame here you've got your handbrake, you've got a jockey wheel which has a handy load indicator just there. You've got your 13-pin Continental socket and your Alco stabiliser with your hitch. You've got your gas locker there at the front. Now as we come round to the near side, we'll have a good look round. So we've got some trendy looking decals on the side here. So we've got some carbon fibre matching the front and the rear with some sort of grey silver look there as well. Now you've got your living room window just here, and then you've got your vent for your heating system. You've got a locker just here. Now what I'll do is I'll get that locker open because it's always worth having a look on the Sudwind. They do like to tidy things away. So you've got easy access to your onboard water tank here for filling up. So this is where you're going to pop your mains into the caravan, and then you're going to drop your cable down here through the floor, so it keeps everything all nice and tidy. Also worth noting, you've got your drain valve here as well, which is easy to get to, and a little bit of storage space from the outside just there. So up here we've got your kitchen window. You've got your vents for your fridge there. You've got some detailing here just saying that it's the 60-year special edition. And then you've got your wheel arch rail just there. And then you've got some stylish looking some alloys. Okay, coming down to the back now, you've got your window there for the bedroom area. And then we will go and have a look around the back. So you've got your Knaus Cat Eye Evolution lights, which look absolutely stunning when they're lit up. Got your grab handles there to the rear, which are black, sort of mirroring that at the front. And again, that carbon fibre finish just here. So to the offside, another large window there for your bedroom area. You've got an external storage locker there, so you can literally get directly under one of the beds from the outside. Loads of space under there. You've got an external TV aerial point just here, and then we've got your Dometic locker there for your toilet cassette. Got that rail again on the other side for your wheel arch cover, and then you've got the premium Knaus door just here with the tinted window on there and an awning light just up above. And then we've got another window there for your living space. So lots of windows, lots of light into the caravan. Does make it feel really nice and spacious. And that's going to bring us back round to the front. So we are going to step foot into the caravan now, but just before we do, we'll have a look on the inside of this door. So it is the Knaus premium door. It's got the deadlock function here, so it's really secure. You've got your blackout blind there, which is fitted to the door. You've got a handy bag here, and then you've got what looks like an umbrella holder. Quite interesting. You've got a couple of hooks up there as well for sort of hanging things. Right, let's get in. So we'll have a look at the upholstery scheme first of all. You've got this sort of part faux leather sort of suede finish with the grey cushions. It does match the whole way round with the tabards and Jeanette curtains. And all the windows are fitted with blinds and fly screens. Got your big sunroof up there, and then you've got another roof light just up above. Got some locker space here above the living space area, and then we've got some spotlights which you can sort of bend and manipulate round to get the light where you wish, which also has a USB on there, which is great for sort of charging phones and things like that. So this caravan's also fitted with a stereo system, so you can connect your phone up and play some music. It's got a freestanding table just here. Now that freestanding table does sort of push down, and you've got a couple of cushions under the bed which will sit on that table, so you can make that up into a spacious double. Now we'll have a look at the kitchen space now. So up above, we've got some more storage space. You've got your kitchen window just here, again fitted with a fly screen and blackout blind. You've got your Dometic 3-burner hob just here. And then we've got your, it's a really deep stainless steel sink, but you've got the mixer tap, which is Knaus branded. Underneath all of that, you've got a drawer just here. You've got your microwave there, which is an LG one. You can open that, you can have a good look. And then a bit more storage space down below. Just to the left of that, you've got a really tall, slimline Thetford fridge. We'll get that open and you can have a look at the space in there. So shelves on the door, got some shelves inside, and then we have a freezer box there at the top. So opposite the kitchen space, you've got your multimedia point here. So this is on a triple arm bracket. So if you pop your TV on there, you can simply watch television from the bedroom space, but also from the living area. Couple of shelves as well, and some more storage space down below. So just here we've got your wet room. So you've got your Thetford toilet here, your shower trays just there, and then we've got the shower curtain, which has got an air chamber in the shower curtain to try and stop that shower curtain from sticking to you. You've got your sink here, that also works as your shower head, so you pull that shower head all the way up to there. Now you can see me, hello. Got a couple of shelves just here, and then another bit of storage space just there. Bit of storage space under the sink as well, and there is your switch for your lights in the wet room. Oh, also worth noting, you've got a handy rail attached just up here, so if you've got any wet clothes or anything like that, you can sort of hang it over the shower tray and stop the caravan from getting wet. So opposite that, you've got your heater just here, and then you've got a wardrobe with a rail just here. And then now we'll go and have a look at the bedroom area. So this is the 4-berth single beds layout. So you've got, they're actually quite wide. They're a lot wider, I think, than a UK made caravan. But I'd always advise popping in. I'll let you guys be the judge of that one. But loads of storage space underneath, so we'll get one of these up, and you'll be able to see underneath here. They're the cushions I was mentioning earlier for the table at the front to set that up into a double. That's the locker there, as you can see, so you can get directly under this bed from the outside. So if you've got an awning or something like that, you can just chuck it straight in under the bed from the outside and not have to drag it through the caravan. So at the end of the bed, you've got a plug socket there, a couple of light switches. And this part here means that you can pull this all the way out, and there's some cushions again under the bed, so you can make this into a huge double if you wanted to. I'd say more king size bed. So I'll push that back in, and then just above where you're going to be sleeping, you've got another one of these lights, which again you can manipulate round and with the USB attached, and that's on both sides. So the tabards, the fly nets, things like that, they're all sort of matching everything round to the front, so it all sort of flows together. And then again with the seating area at the front, you've got this backboard here, which does finish things off really nicely. Loads of space up above the beds for storage. And you've got another roof light there up above, and an LED light next to that there. Now those LEDs, they do get really, really bright, and this caravan does look stunning lit up. There's lights in places where you wouldn't think there would be. And there we have it, the 2022 Knaus Sudwind 540 UE. If you'd like to pop in and have a look, you're more than welcome to. We're open 7 days a week. Monday to Saturday 9 until 5, and then on Sunday 10 till 4. You can pop me an email, it's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk, or you can give me a call, it's 01777 838 193, and it's option 1 for sales. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.